Hi there, welcome to the Enlightened Super Trader Education Weekly Market Update. Looking at the Dow Jones Industrial 30 here based on the bigger time frame, which is the monthly chart, since the new month of May. So from my last quick email stating that the 15,000 has basically been taken, has been reached. So you can see from last month the bulls are currently in control, hence a continuation of this month. So if my calculation be right, after the 15,269 to be exact, around there, 269 to 60 will be the next major target point. It's a specific number that we're currently looking. There's a probability that it may continue to do that, but if not, depending on what the bar or the candle is going to do by the end of the month, if you can notice as well, is decreasing in strength in terms of buyers right there. So there's going to be a correction that is about to happen. So however, the number that I'm currently looking at is a 15,269 with the Dow. So if that touches, then it'd be probably before it probably even reach up to 15,269 to 60, around that area, and then we're going to see a slight minor correction heading back down to around the 42. So close to about 1,000 points if it chooses to the downside before continuation to the upside. Alright, looking at the weekly chart on the other hand, the bulls are still way too strong, too powerful, and the odds and probability for this week that the market will continue to head back up, like I said, is highly probable. Obviously at the end of the week, Friday, Bernanke is going to talk. As far as concerned, there's a couple of things that this could do. The bulls will continue to go further, for where the bulls are going to continue to dominate, or two, sellers are going to come back down and will create a low somewhere sometime, and then by the end of the week it's going to come back up, so some selling pressure will occur, then buying pressure will occur, then we're going to have some form of a hanging man of some sort, or three, there's going to be a lot of selling pressure, we're going to have a dark light cover or a bearish engulfing, similar to something like this, to retest a certain selling point. So based on the weekly, right, so looking at the daily chart, notice how this is what happened pretty much Friday, creating a new high. Nothing happened today, stability. There's not much reports actually in the next few days except for Friday, and we also have unemployment claims on Thursday, and then the Feds on Friday. We also have a G7 meetings basically happening on Friday and Saturday. So my take on it, probably we're going to have some form of consolidation in the next few days, back down this way, and then depending on what Bernanke is going to say, so we're going to have higher high, higher low, then higher high, right? So which will lead now to, on the weekly, some selling pressure, then push to the upside, some form of a hanging man, and then there might be a probability or some form of a reversal is going to happen basically next week. Alright, but other than that, the bulls are in control. Could be some form of flat neutral base, depending on what Bernanke is going to say. Probably the bulls are going to continue to press the price to the upside, but if not, then that is going to just stay neutral pretty much for that the whole week. Alright, that's my report for this week. It's very simple, and for, like I said, the number that I'm looking at is at 15,269. Since now the 15,000 basically got taken, next question is where to from here. So the 15,269 is the number. Alright guys, take care until next time. Happy trading, and see you next week. Bye.